The Yocrostar 400ft RGB Eaves lights offer a robust and flexible solution for outdoor illumination, ensuring performance in diverse weather conditions with their IP67 waterproof rating. Perfect for festive occasions, these lights can be customized through a mobile app to create vibrant and unique lighting effects, making them ideal for parties and holidays. Featuring an upgraded lens design, these lights provide enhanced triangular lighting effects, and the complete set includes everything needed for immediate installation. With multiple control options, you can manage the lights via a smart app or infrared remote, allowing for various modes and adjustments to suit your preferences. Installation is straightforward. Simply test the lights, peel the adhesive backing, and secure them to a clean eaves surface for a reliable setup. These lights are designed for easy operation and ensure a secure connection, offering you a hassle-free experience in enhancing your outdoor space.